Welcome to American River RV, and here's another look at one of our great RVs. This beautiful fifth wheel comes equipped with overhead storage, bathroom cabinet with mirror, refrigerator, bathroom shower, double kitchen sink, outside storage, oven, U-shaped dinette, single slide, high-rise faucet, bathroom sink, living area television, bunk above cab area, 3-burner cooktop, shower skylight. Here at American River RV, we take pride in our professionally trained, no-pressure sales staff who understand that buying an RV takes time. We're a family-owned business, and we are committed to making every customer happy. In order to build such good relationships with our customers, we work hard to offer only the cleanest, highest quality RVs at the best price possible. So come visit us today. American River RV is conveniently located in the areas of Sacramento, Davis, Elk Grove, Roseville, and Vacaville.